Now we need to create the pages that are, or the keywords that people might be searching for. And the way that I do that is that I consider what type of products am I going to make. For me, there are 4 types of products that I'm going to launch. I don't know if they will be popular or not, but I'm going to launch them. It's templates, it's education, it's cases, and it's checklists. Those are the 4 things that I'm going to release as my main products, because I know that there is a need for it, but I don't know how popular they will be yet. What I want to do is I want to take all of those keywords that we just, or all of those words that we just created, and I want to turn them into combination keywords with these products. And the thing then is that usually if I have education in social media, and then I have social media checklist. In the one case, it's a prefix, and the other case, it's a suffix, meaning it comes after. So I'm not going to do that manually because that would take too much time. I'm going to do this using a generator that I built in Google Sheets. And so now I take these translated words, copy them, put them into my keyword generator, and see now I have the Swedish words, and I know before you say anything doesn't really translate well for these ones, so I'm gonna have to change them, but I'm not, like, for the sake of time, just gonna show you how these are generated and how you use this template. So you put your glossary here, only the words now, because you're gonna generate keywords from these words. You can do the translations as well in this sheet if you just copy and paste keywords. Now I want to have this thing, and I want to have it here. So I want to have it equals glossary 2, okay, like so. So I have the same keyword here, or I have the same word. Now I want it to be a prefix actually, so I should put it here. Now I do education in, enter. That's my prefix that I want. And now I am going to generate equals this plus this. I think it is. No, it is not. It's that. And yes. See how nice it is? Copy, paste, values only. I need to check so that there is no. I will need to make sure that there's a space in there. And space. And there we no, huh? Oh. Yay, that created a space. So now what we do is we pull this down. We just draw this down, just like we did before, to the 206. Like so. And then we do this. Then we do this. Yay! Education in. See? So this puts the prefix before. Oops. And then we do values here. So we just copy and paste values like that. You see? Now with the suffix, we take the same keywords, the words. Oops. Oh. We gotta paste them here in between. So values only. There we got them. Copy them. I paste them over here. So see what I did there? So now I'm going to do the thing there that I talked about with the checklist, because I cannot checklist 3D redirect. That's what it should be. I cannot redirect checklist. It should be after, right? So then I will write equals this one. And this one. Yay! Text checklist. Boom. Boom. That's how you get it to fold out. All right.